Yeah, finally. Finally. My network is so bad today. Okay, so let's wait a little bit for more people to come in before we... Good evening, Doreen. How are you doing? Thank you. Okay, so I'm hoping that, I've changed my position. My previous position really bad. Okay, yeah, I can see you guys. I'm so sorry, guys. The network is so bad. I mean, I can't do that one. The network is horribly bad, but I think it's working now. So question here saying, okay, I can see you guys now. I saw one question here saying, I'm gonna repeat myself, that while I was in my previous marriage, I never saw you. I only knew him as an actor. Now, lots of people are saying all over social media that I was in my previous marriage when I met him. Now I'm saying that if I saw you with my two eyes while in that marriage, if I saw him, let alone said a word with him, if I saw him with my two eyes while in that marriage, then let all the curses, let it come to me 1,000 times over. But if for any reason that my marriage was completely dissolved, and it was years after it was dissolved before I saw you for the first time, then let the curses go back to the people cursing me 1,000 times over. That was a lie from the pit of hell to destroy my person and to destroy Yul Edochie's name. But unfortunately, you can't destroy what you didn't build. If you have God with you, nobody can bring you down, no matter how hard they try. Now, before I go to the matter of the day, the major reason why I'm on this life, lots and lots of people on social media are all playing innocent, all acting saints, praising God every second of the day, which is very good, by the way. Now, I'm not here to judge anybody. That's not the aim. Hi guys, I see all your greetings, but I just had to be fast because, network is so bad. I don't want to be locked out again. Now, we are all sinners, we're all sinners. We've all come short of God's glory, including myself. I'm not a saint, and I will never be a saint. But when fellow sinners will carry it on their heads, will make it a point of duty to destroy you, to talk about you, to make sure that, people inherit their enemy. When that happens, I mean, to a very large extent, you will get tired of it and you will want to defend yourself. Yes, I know I've been silent for over a year, but enough of all that now. In my place, in my dialect, they say that ukunaga warawara, nayanaga warawara nafia. It means that the leg that is going somehow, you see the eyes that is also looking somehow will see the leg. I don't know if it makes sense to you, but that's the much I can do. You see that your boyfriend that you think you're playing so smart and nobody knows, that's your boyfriend has a best friend. You see that your boyfriend, he has a best friend, and that best friend also you see, married women with lots and lots of boyfriends pretending to be all righteous on social media, carrying my matter on their heads, talking to me directly or indirectly. Today is our day. Today is our day. Because you cannot in your right senses believe that whatever you do that you're protected, that nobody will see it. No, it's not true. People now fools, people, they have eyes. And this, you know, the people that have seen you, they also have besties. And one thing about me is I took my time to investigate my matters. I have about 10 ladies that I'm going to expose tonight. 10 ladies. And I have their data. I have it here. I have all of it here. Before I started this live video, I took my time to do my investigation. It took me 6 months to pile up this. I'm going to show pictures. I'm going to show evidence, even evidence that I got from their family members. Because I think a lot of people at this point are upset with the way people are all acting saints. So, before I take your questions, I'm going to expose all of them. And then when I'm done exposing them, you can now come with your questions. But before I continue, I want to acknowledge, you know, those people that called me from yesterday to today concerning this live video. They called, and you know, most of them are of the opinion that I shouldn't implicate anybody, that, you know, it just isn't right. And I want to thank you all for that call. I want to thank you all for the messages. Mrs. Linda, lots of you guys, I don't want to start calling names. I want to thank you all for the call. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I hear you. I heard everything you said. But meaning there's a level that things will get to, then you would definitely need to speak up. Because if I didn't speak, if I've not cleared the air now, people will continue to say that I was in my previous marriage when I met you, when it's pure lies. When I saw him for the first time years. So why would somebody come out to say this if the plan is not to destroy you? Why would somebody come out to say